नंबर 74 सूरतुल मुदस्सिर आयत नंबर 23।
ثم أدبر واستكبر.
Then he turned away and became arrogant. Message from this ayat. There is great difference between a person who commits a sin due to weakness and feels guilty for the same, and a person who commits a sin and takes the sin lightly while adopting an arrogant attitude. A person commits a sin, and when he is admonished, he says to you, "Pray for me. I fell to my desires and lust, and shaitan trapped me into the delusions for wrongdoing." Another person who commits a sin, and when he is admonished, he flares up, and he speaks to you something like this: "What is your problem? This is the only life. Enjoy it as much as you can." It is easy for the first person to turn back to Almighty Allah because his problem is with his desires of physical bodily part. But for the second person, it is very difficult to turn back to Almighty Allah because he has problem with his inner spirituality and heart. Hazrat Sufyan bin Uyayna used to say, "Hope for good in relation to the one who commits sin in the cycle of desires, but fear for the one who commits sin in the intoxication of ego and arrogance." Because Adam alayhis salam's disobedience was due to his desires, his sin was forgiven, while Iblis took the path of sin in arrogance and ego, so he was cursed.